This is a recast of the 5,600-word piece, Artificial Intelligence, AI, from Kshnapat AI. This article is about the ethical implications of artificial intelligence, AI. Let's listen in.
That's right. This article is about artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would usually require human intelligence, such as speech recognition, learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. AI research was initiated in the mid-20th century and has grown exponentially since then.
It's already being used in a lot of different applications as well, from virtual assistants to self-driving cars. AI technology also has a long history. As far back as ancient times, philosophers were exploring the idea of machines that could automate tasks.
That's right, and the 1940s saw the beginning of modern AI research with the invention of the first electronic computer, ENIAC. This gave us the platform we needed to develop AI systems. In the 1950s came the development of the logic theorist by Alan Newell and J.C. Shaw, which was one of the first AI programs.
Progress in artificial intelligence research was slow for many years due to limited computational power and inadequate understanding of how human intelligence works. But in the 1990s, it experienced a significant revival due to advancements in computer processing, more available data, and a better understanding of neural networks.
And as AI technology continues to advance, it's important to consider its ethical implications too. Machines are becoming more capable of performing tasks once reserved for humans, so it's important to think about whether or not they should be granted rights and responsibilities.
Additionally, there is a potential for bias in decision-making when algorithms reflect the biases and assumptions of their human creators. This can result in discriminatory outcomes which could have far-reaching implications for society, businesses, and individuals.
Right, so let's look at some of the types of AI now. We have reactive machines, which are able to respond to certain stimuli without any form of memory or recollection. Limited memory systems, which can store and utilize previous experiences to inform future decisions. Theory of mind AI, which focuses on interpersonal communication and understanding human emotions and beliefs. And self-aware AI, which is considered the most advanced form and possesses consciousness and feelings.
Reactive machines are commonly used in industrial settings, where their primary function is to interpret data from sensors in real time. Limited memory is more often seen in computer programs where they need to store and access data temporarily, while theory of mind AI is essential for empathy and social interaction. Lastly, self-aware AI is still very much a topic of speculation and exploration as we seek to understand its implications better.
That covers all that we wanted to talk about today. Now let's start talking about some of the ethical concerns related to artificial intelligence. One of the major issues is the potential loss of jobs due to the increasing automation of tasks which were earlier done by humans. This could lead to widespread unemployment, economic disruption, and other social issues.
To add to that, AI systems are only as good as the data they are fed, meaning that they can replicate existing biases and perpetuate existing inequalities. Additionally, AI technology is increasingly being used by large tech companies, leading to a concentration of power and influence. This can have serious implications for privacy, security, and freedom of expression.
Exactly, which is why it is important for us to stay vigilant and engaged in how AI is being developed and used. It's essential for us to understand the ethical implications of AI so that we can ensure it is used responsibly.
That leads us to discuss the benefits that AI can bring. There are numerous advantages when it comes to introducing AI into various industries. For one, it increases efficiency by being able to process large amounts of data quickly and accurately, much faster than humans can do. This applies to industries such as finance, where AI-powered predictive analytics have revolutionized the way businesses operate.
Moreover, AI can also help improve healthcare through personalized medicine, early detection of diseases, and remote patient monitoring in rural areas. It can also help automate tedious and repetitive tasks, which frees up human resources for more creative and complex work.
Absolutely. Additionally, AI also has the potential to reduce errors by being incredibly accurate in decision-making processes. It can identify potential risks before they become major problems, which helps businesses gain a competitive edge like never before.
Yes, that's true. And while there are many benefits of AI, there are also some challenges and concerns that need to be addressed. Although machine learning and AI have become more advanced over the years, there are still ethical and social considerations regarding its usage and applications.
For instance, there are concerns about bias in decision-making and the potential for malicious use of AI by governments or corporations. There are also fears surrounding job displacement, which could occur as AI increasingly replaces human workers. To mitigate these risks, it is important for us to continuously evaluate the ethical implications of AI as it becomes increasingly pervasive in our lives.
Right, and AI technology has the potential to revolutionize a range of industries from healthcare to finance to transportation. In the healthcare sector, AI-powered tools can help diagnose symptoms and provide personalized care. Similarly, in the finance industry, AI systems can analyze market trends and customer behavior to provide insights and make better decisions. AI can even help reduce traffic congestion and pollution in the transportation sector.
Yes, AI can help streamline operations and increase efficiency in all sorts of industries. However, there are still challenges that need to be addressed. For example, in retail, there is a need to consider the ethical implications of using AI and to ensure that AI systems are transparent and unbiased. And with self-driving cars, there are legal and ethical concerns that need to be taken into consideration.
Absolutely. And this brings us to the issue of security. As more entities adopt AI technology, security becomes a growing concern. Malicious actors could use AI to automate their attacks and exploit system vulnerabilities. That's why it is important for experts to invest in security measures, update software and hardware regularly, and train personnel on cybersecurity protocols.
That's right. And it's also essential to diversify the workforce so that bias isn't baked into the technology. AI should reflect our values and not perpetuate discriminatory beliefs or practices.
Exactly. We have to be conscious of how we are using this technology, as it has the potential to be a powerful tool for innovation, but also cause harm if used irresponsibly.
AI is defined as the use of machines and software to perform tasks that traditionally require human intelligence. AI has revolutionized industries such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and education, optimizing processes and making previously impossible feats possible.
Right. We're seeing AI being used to diagnose diseases, identify treatment options, streamline drug development, and automate transportation services such as self-driving cars and trucks.
Yes, these are all very exciting applications of AI. But along with the promise of AI comes ethical concerns.
Absolutely. There are questions about privacy, discrimination, and job displacement to consider.
That's right. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives and societies, it is important for researchers and policymakers to carefully weigh the social implications of AI.
Yes, it's essential that AI is developed in a way that benefits society as a whole and respects fundamental values such as privacy, autonomy, and human dignity.
And collaboration between humans and AI is key to ensure that AI systems are used ethically. Humans still have creativity, judgment, and problem-solving abilities that AI systems cannot replicate or replace.
Exactly. This requires a deep understanding of the specific needs, preferences, and limitations of human users, and the development of effective mechanisms for communication, collaboration, and feedback.
And while there are still many areas of debate when it comes to AI's implications in the future, it's clear that AI is here to stay and it will continue to shape all aspects of society.
Right. We must be mindful of the potential consequences of our actions when it comes to developing and using AI technologies, ensuring that we use them in an ethical and responsible way.